The Workast Professional Plan was made for teams that want to supercharge their productivity and really customize Workast to suit their needs. Workast is one of the easiest task management applications to use for teams that use Slack. The Professional Plan includes more advanced ways to customize your task. Custom fields is based on what you need for your workflow, such as the priority of a task, the order number, the department that this task is for, and so on. The custom field is completely customizable and tasks can be sorted based on the custom field. The next customization in the Workast Professional Plan is custom tags. Tags are used to categorize a task. For example, here we are customizing the task based on the team it is for. Tags have also been used for priority, customers, clients, date ranges, and milestones. The options are endless. Subtasks are smaller tasks within the parent tasks. It helps the team members break down the task into smaller steps, which are more achievable. Subtasks can be created and completed in both Workast and Slack. Task dependencies are used when one task must be done before the other task can be completed. This is great for tasks that need to be done in a sequential order and helps the team member know exactly what needs to be done. This feature can also be used in the timeline view, which I will show you soon. Timetracking is a native app inside of Workast that allows team members to log the time they spent working on a task. This can then be pulled into a report so that you can see the total time spent working on a particular project. This is great for clients and time management. Timeline is a beautiful view of how your project looks sequentially, so you can plan, project, and ensure that your project is on time. Task dependencies can be added in the timeline view so team members know exactly what needs to be done. Templates are a huge time-saving feature that allows you to create common tasks and workflows and import the tasks over and over into a space to save you time and effort. Due dates can be dynamic based on the first due date chosen, and tasks can be assigned inside the template. This is the ultimate time saver. The Professional Plan is a supercharged version of Workast to help your team work smarter, not harder. Make managing work easy with Workast. Upgrade today.